Hi there. Traditionally, oil paintings have been done on canvas wrapped around a wooden frame. And I've got an example here. You can see the wooden frame inside, and you can see that this is painted on canvas. So this is what old masters typically used, and the canvas on a large version can be taken off. So it's great for big oil paintings that need to be transported so that you're not transporting the weight of the frame. And the other nice thing about this is for more contemporary pictures, quite often what people like is you can actually paint, you can see on the side, and it gives just a really quirky little feature, and then the picture can be hung directly on the wall like that with no frame. So this is a canvas wrapped around a box frame. And then the other option is canvas on a board. So this is a more recent development, and it's fantastic. This is most of my oil paintings I do on these. So it's also canvas, so the canvas is wrapped around the board, and you can see that it's just normal oil painting. It's exactly the same process from the artist's point of view. The advantage of this style is that it can be put straight into a frame really easily. So it can be framed in just any normal frame without the glass, usually for oil, and for oils you generally don't use a mount. So either style can be framed, but if it's definitely going to be framed, this is probably the most straightforward. Please have a look on my prices page, and there you'll find all the different sizes available. Hope that's useful. It's quite straightforward when you've got a visual, but apart from that it can be a bit confusing, and don't hesitate to just give me a call or email me. I'm always happy to talk through options with no obligation at all. It's just nice to hear from people, and I get very excited hearing about ideas. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to this channel so you can catch the new ones when they come out. For information on my shop and commissions, check my website, and I post daily work and stories on Instagram. And if you want to watch a video straight away, check this one out. Thanks again, you guys keep me going. I really appreciate your support. See you soon.